Hello all, my name is Saurabh Sharma and I'm going to start a new YouTube playlist for the HackerRank problems. Now let's get start to our first problem. This is hello world with Python. Now the problem statement is we have to print the hello world in the terminal. Okay, so we can print it very easily. Just we have to write hello world, and remember the output should be in this form. We cannot change the form of output. Okay, so whatever the message here, we have to write the same message in the print function. This is very important. Now let's run the code. It's verified. Now submit the code. Yeah, the code has been submitted successfully.